Yeah, it's good that we start with winning. So first half was hard. They stay back. They wait us. We try with long ball, with crosses, but it wasn't so good. And in the second half, I think we start to play good. And I think when we score first goal, it was easier. We score second goal, and game was easy, if I can tell like this on the second half. But I want to thank to team. It's good that we start with win and 3 points. You know, always it's hard to start championship. First game, you know, everybody expects what we do in preparation, that we, I don't know, some action do like in preparation, but okay, what I told, we are happy that we winning, and that's it. No, we prepare good. I think that you see second half, we have power, we all the time run. We in the end have 3-4 chances more to score, so I think everything is good.